Okay, we're back. So Einstein's general theory of relativity. Let me just say first of all that Einstein's theory of general relativity has a reputation for being a little bit unapproachable, and that comes from the mathematics that are involved, which are kind of beyond the scope of this class. Differential geometry or Riemannian geometry is the type of math you use, which is um, you have to have had quite a bit of math, I guess, to be proficient there. This is my favorite book on general relativity. It's called Einstein's Gravity in a Nutshell by Anthony Z. You can see how thick it is. It's the most delightful book, by the way, that you could ever get on Einstein's Gravity. I love Anthony Z's style. He's actually the person that I based physics by hand holding off of, and I'll give you some reading out of this book today. And you'll probably see there are some similarities between the way he teaches and the way I teach. He's amazing. We absolutely love him. But even though Einstein's theory has this air of incomprehensibility because the math is somewhat sophisticated, the concepts that went into creating general relativity are actually rather simple. So the view from 10,000 feet is this. I have here a microfiber cloth that I found in a bag somewhere, and I have a marble here. What Einstein's theory has essentially says is that objects distort and curve space a little bit in analogy to how this steel marble here is distorting the fabric by pulling down on it, right? And if you can imagine, you can see it's making a bowl-like depression in that fabric, and this isn't the best analogy. I'll try to find best visualization of this. I'll try to find something that's a little bit better. So you can see it's creating a bowl in the fabric. If we were to put like a small bead and send it on a trajectory inside of this bowl-like geometry, it would be deflected into a circular orbit, if you want to think of it that way, around this steel ball. So this is where we're heading. We're saying that objects curve space-time, and we're going to say space-time together because of the last video. And that is what gives rise to this phenomenon called gravity. Gravity is just curvature in space-time.